Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're looking at the number of rooftops in 5 cities that are represented in this graph. We're told that the total number of installations is 27,500, and so we're asked what is an appropriate label for the vertical axis. So is this being measured in tens, in hundreds, in thousands, or in tens of thousands of installations of solar panels? So first, let's say, pretend we didn't know that this isn't an appropriate label. If we just thought this was 1, right, number of installations, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and so on, what would we guess is the total number of installations? So our total under these rules would be A plus B plus C plus D plus E. That's going to be equal to, so for A, we have up here, which correlates to 9, plus B, dragging this over, we have 5, C is going to come out to 6, D is going to be 4, and E is going to be 3.5. So if we add these numbers up, we have 9 plus 5 is 14, 6 plus 4 is 10, plus 3.5 is going to be 14 plus 10 is 24, plus 3.5 is 27.5. So if these were the labels of the y-axis, and it was so if it was measured in tens, then each of these would be multiplied by 10, which means this number would be multiplied by 10. So you'd have 27.5 times 10, which would come out to 275. If it was measured in hundreds, each of these would be multiplied by 100, right? Just to visualize what that means, you'd have 900, 500, 600, 400. And then this final total would be multiplied by 100 since all the individual terms were. So we'd have 27.5 times 100, and that comes out to 2,750. If it was measured in thousands, again, these would all be 9,000, 5,000, and so on. We'd have 27.5 times 1,000, and that would come out to 27,500. And this number is what we're told is the actual number. So that means the number of installations is measured in the thousands here. So this is 9,000 plus 5,000 plus 6,000 plus 4,000 plus 3,500. And so C is going to be your final answer.